Diabetes and dates. A lot of people think it's a sweet, we shouldn't be eating it because it can actually flare out our sugar, and we are diabetic, we shouldn't be eating it. So, but I can well assure you that diabetics can eat dates because it has low glycemic index. It has a strong inhibitors of glucosidase, and also it has small micronutrients which are going to help you manage better management of your diabetes. It also helps in insulin resistance. So actually diabetics can eat dates. They are sweet, 1 or 2 dates a day, not too many because that's not good, and it has good sugar in it, not the bad one, the good one. Then it also has high in antioxidant. So everybody knows what antioxidants do to our body. So I think we have talked in other programs on antioxidant, but I think antioxidant and dates, there's a lot of antioxidants in it. I will not go into the details of but antioxidants are so important for our body.